Hey everyone, Muko here, and welcome back to another video. And today we're playing Flappy Crush. I already tried it a bit, and my highest score, I forget, what was it? 200 and something, I think. Anyway, let's get to the game right now. I guess. Now where are the birds? Hey there. Gotcha. Oh crap. He just went flying back. Damn it! I forgot. I'm just gonna keep tapping. One sec. Come on! There! Come on, I need more. I only got 18. Come on. Where's the electric ones and all that? Damn it, it was just one right there. See, my best was 259. Can I... Knock. Damn it. Okay. I want the part to be that one. Okay. Start. I want to see my part. Ooh! That looks cool. Oh, it sounded me. Oh, it turns into candy, too. Oh, gummy bear. Talk about the bone. Come on, get in there. Die! Damn it! Score 7, come on. What the hell? Damn it. Okay, come on. Here. Come on. What the hell was that? Oh, come on. I was distracted. I was distracted by the bottom thing. Damn it. Oh, orange 300. I'm going to move my up here. Hey. What the heck? Ah! I might get that. Color match, color match. Yep. How much money do I have? Oh, the pipe is bloody. Oh, I didn't realize that. Like, the one, like, down here. Oh, damn it! Damn it! I was distracted! Oh my god, I was so distracted. Whoa, my camera is glitchy. What is going on? Come on, fix. Haha, close it on you. Whoa. Oh, look, they're pretty. The water is cool. Get in there. Turn into candy. Turn into candy. Turn into a gummy bear. I like the way it does the same color as they are. Like, if it's green, then it'll turn into a green sweet. If it's blue, then it'll turn into a blue gummy bear. Okay, I'm gonna try and get enough money to buy new pipes. Damn it! Do I have enough money? Yes! Play. Ooh. Whoa. I want to see what happens. Whoa. Come on, get in here, get in here. Whoa. No! Ah! 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 I'm gonna eat you. What? Well, why am I running? Okay. Can you stop making that face? It looks ugly. No, not you, Pug Mug. Pug Mug. Pug Cup. Yeah. Dude. Your hat. I don't think it's on your head. But, like, I don't think it's... Oh. Oh, God, that looks weird. It's like my collar is matching with that color. I don't know why it looks weird, actually. Dude. I'm a mouse. Okay, guys, so if you enjoyed that, leave a like. And I'll see you guys in the next video.